In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem a product code on Steam or a game code. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is simply open up your Steam, and from down here where it says add a game, you want to click on it, and from in here you want to press activate a product on Steam. Now from in here you want to type in your product code, and it's gonna look something like this, a bunch of letters and number. And what you want to do is you simply want to type in the letter here, and you will then press confirm, and you will have been activated your product. Now you can buy these physically and digitally. If it's physically, there should be something on the back of your physical card. You want to scrape that thing and you're gonna get the code. Now if you bought it digitally, it's probably in your email or wherever you bought it, and there will be a code in there. So simply add it here, confirm, and then when it's confirmed, it will go to your library and you can play the game or whatever you bought. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helped me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.